The first pillar of Iman, faith in Islam, is belief in Allah. In order to believe in Allah, we have to know that who is Allah? The introduction of Allah. This question comes in mind of every person, that who is Allah? Alladhi la ilaha illahu, beside whom none has the right to be worshipped. He is Allah. Al-Malik, the King. Al-Quddus, the pure. As-Salam, the one who is free from all defects. Al-Mu'min, the giver of security. Al-Aziz, the most mighty. Al-Jabbar, the compeller. Al-Mutakabbir, the supreme. Subhanallah. High is Allah above everything that they associate with Him. He is Allah. Al-Khaliq, the creator. Al-Bari, the inventor. Al-Musawwir, the giver of forms. Lahul Asma'ul Husna, to Him belong the most perfect of all names. Yusabbihu lahu ma fis samawati wal ardi wa huwa al-azizul hakim. Everything in the heaven and the earth glorify Allah, and He is the most mighty, the most wise. Moreover, He is the first and the last, the outwith and the inwith. He has the knowledge of all things. هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش. He is Allah, created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Then He established Himself on the throne. He knows everything that comes out of the earth and everything that goes into the earth. And He is with you wherever you may be, and Allah Almighty sees everything that you don't. He is the first, He has no beginning, and the last, He will have no end. He is the ever-living, the self-subsisting, the eternal and only absolute. Despite the passage of these infinite years, Allah has never slept. This is Allah.